have been doing great these days. Make sure you stay safe and follow all the safety guidelines. Same old lines. Yes. So I haven't posted since so long, so I thought I would do it today. I did my French nails and I thought I would record it and obviously post it. See, this is what I did. I love French nails because they're very simple, very subtle, very nice. So yeah, I did these French nails at home. You just require a sellotape and a nail color and you're sorted. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So let's go. To start off, first of all, we will clean our nails with the help of a nail paint remover. I'm using these cotton nail paint remover pads. They consist of vitamin E oil which nourishes the cuticles really well. Make sure you remove any sort of nail paint present on your nails. Once they are done, we'll jump to the next step. Make sure to clean it really nicely. And once done, obviously we'll jump to the next step, that is filing of our nails. Filing is basically giving shape to your nails. I'm giving it a square kind of a shape. You can either give it an oval shape or an almond shape, but I think French nails looks the best in square ones. Okay, so make sure you move your filer in one direction, otherwise it might lead to the breakage of your nails. Alright, so once done with filing, we'll buffer our nails so that the nail paint stays for a longer period of time. Make sure you file and buffer your nails really well. Once done, obviously we will jump to the next step. So I think the buffering and the filing part is done. Now we will go to the next step, that is applying single coat of nail color. I am using a transparent nail color because I want to keep it really simple and subtle. You can go for any nude shades if you wish, like for example light pink shades or lemon yellow. Apply it evenly and now we will wait for approximately 5 minutes for it to dry up. Once that the first coat is done, the main work starts, that is doing the French nail part obviously. What you have to do is take a piece of sellotape and stick it in a way that you leave some space above. Once you are done, we will move to the next step. What you have to do, take a piece of sellotape and stick it in a way that you leave some space above, so that when you remove the sellotape, you get a straight line. Okay. So you have to do this step for all of your fingers. Make sure you stick the sellotape firmly so that they just don't move. Once done, we will move to the second last step, that is applying the final nail coat. I'm using white color. Again, you can change it according to your wish and leave this for good 5 minutes so that it can dry nicely. And once they're done, we will finally remove the tape and voila, your nails are done. So easy peasy. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all like it. I would repeat the steps again, so if you didn't understand, you can understand it right now. What you have to do, clean your nails, give them the right shape, put a transparent coat. If you wish, then you can avoid that step also. What you have to do is, say for example, I'll take this nail as an example. You want your French nail from above this height, okay? So you need to stick a sellotape right here so that when you remove it, you get a straight line. What do you have to do? Put a sellotape, leave some space from the above so that when you apply a nail coat, even if you mess it, when you remove the sellotape, you get a proper lining. See, like this. Okay? So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel below. Bye guys, lots of love.